Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. The students enrolling for ECH 3120 Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics. So make sure that you enroll in the right and the correct course, yeah. ECH 3120. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Muhammad Haikal bin Ismail, a senior lecturer from the Department of Chemical and Environmental Engineering, Faculty of Engineering. I joined the university in December 2018, and but before that, I was employed as the tutor for since 2009, and chemical engineering thermodynamics used to be my one of my favorite subjects during my undergraduate because I just love to work uh, with heat. All right. Okay, so first of all, let me give you uh, the course outcomes once again, just to make sure that we can deliver the course outcomes at the end of the semester. Okay, the first one is to relate the thermodynamic properties of solution and pure liquids, pure fluids with the states of the system. And the second one is to use at the end of the course, students will be able to use the thermodynamic phase diagram and the concept of phase equilibrium to calculate various equations of state, point calculations, and solubility. And the last one is to differentiate the calculation methods related to chemical reaction equilibrium, energy conversion, and equilibrium constant. So basically, this I can see energy balance, thermodynamics, and chemical engineering thermodynamics is somehow is quite related to each other. Okay, so for this course, there are five program outcomes. The first one is to apply knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals, and engineering specialization to the solution of complex engineering problems. The second one is PO2 to identify, formulate research literature, and analyze complex engineering problems, reaching substantiated conclusions using first principles of mathematics, natural sciences, and engineering sciences. And the third one is PO7, which is to apply reasoning informed by contextual knowledge to assess societal, health, safety, legal, and cultural issues and the consequent responsibility relevant to professional engineering practice. And this fourth one is PO8, which is to understand the impact of professional engineering solution in societal and environmental contexts and demonstrate knowledge of a need for sustainable development. And the last one is PO40, which is to recognize the need for and have the preparation and ability to engage in independent and lifelong learning in the broadest context of technological change. So we can see here, right, apart from applying the knowledge of mathematics, science, and engineering, and to apply in the test and the final exam, one of the most important features of the course is uh, to make sure that we can develop the graduate with the professional engineering practice, which give impact to the society, to the safety, legal, and cultural issues as a conclusion. All right. Okay, there are basically three assessments. The first one is test one will be 10%, test two 20%, and final project will be 30%. And the final project will be divided into three different category, which will due on week 14th. And the final exam is 40 percentage. Okay, this is the COPO mapping. For the first CO, it will be mapped to PO1 and PO2, which will be test 1 and test 2 and the final exam. For the CO2, it will be mapped to PO7 and PO8, as well as for PO7, the assessment will be the final project assessment video because the criteria that will be assessed is teamwork skills, right? So basically, you just have to record and document every single moments that portrays your teamwork. especially in regards to the engineering practice. Okay, and next is PO8, which is the final project YouTube. So it will carry also 10%. But this one, you have to you have to produce the YouTube video, which in regards to sustainable development of the project. And the last one, CO3, will be mapped to PO14, which is the assessment will be final project report, which will be assessed in terms of critical thinking. Right. So make sure that your project and your report will involve the high critical thinking method. Okay. Okay, so this is the textbook. All right, so we will see again for the next YouTube. All right, thank you.